warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teacher.
Okay, let's recite doa first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wansur alaina rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Okay, good. Okay. Can you see this, Tiara? What is this? This is number. What is this? Number. Good. Can you say to me what is this? One. Okay, good. Is this? Okay. This? Three. Okay, good. Is this? Four. What is this? Five. Okay, next. Okay. Next. Seven. Okay. Is this? Eight. Next. Nine. Next. 10. Okay. Okay. Say to me what is this? Number? One. Okay. Two. Okay. This? Three. Okay. Next. Four. Five. Six. This? Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Okay. Now, say you follow me. Mushroom. Okay. Mat. Mania. Mushroom. Mat. Mania. Okay, good. Mushroom mat mania. We will do activity tambah. What is this? Tambah. Good. You know tambah? Yes. Okay. So write the number first. You see, You see here. Number. What is this? Number 2. Good. Ini number 3. Okay. 2 add 3. Okay. Count with me, okay? Wait. What the number is? It's number 2. Okay, good. Ambil ni. Okay, ambil ni kat tempat. You put here. 1. 2. How much? 1, 2. Okay. You put here. How much? 3. Okay. Put here. One, 2, 3. Okay, so you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how much? 2 tambah 3 jadi ada berapa ni? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
Okay, 2 tambah 3 jadi 5. Okay, good. You choose. Okay, choose. Choose number 5. Where is number 5? Okay. Good job. How much? How much? 5. Pandai. You understand? Yes. Okay, good. So, here number 5. So, you choose this number 5 and put here. Okay, good. Okay. So we do the next number. Scan. You can. Can. Okay, good. Okay, next. Next number. Six. Add 3. Okay. You put this 6. Put dekat gambar here. What the number is? Number 6. Okay, good. Jadi nak letak berapa kat sini? 6. Pandai. 1, 2. Kira-kira. 2. Okay. 4. Next. 5. Next. 6. Okay. So, dah cukup tak 6? Dah cukup ke belum? Okay, kira.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, dah cukup ke belum? Dah. Okay. What is this? 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, how much? 9.
9.
9. Okay, choose 9. Choose 9. Where is 9? Where is 9? Okay. What is this? What the number is?
9.
9. Okay. You count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So how? How much?
Yes.
9. Okay. So you choose number 9. You put in the puzzle. Where is number 9? Okay, good. Okay. Next number. Stop this. Okay, good. Next number is 1. So how much? 1 tambah 1. Okay, so put dekat tempat dia. 1. Okay, so how much? 1.
2.
Okay, so how much? 2. Okay, choose number 2. Put here. Okay, good. So where is number 2? Pandai. Okay, good. Okay, put out here. Next number is 2. 1. 2. 2.
1.
Okay, so put dekat tempat here. 1, 2. Okay.
1.
Okay, come together. 1.
2, 3.
So how much?
3.
Okay, good. Where is number 3? Choose. Okay. Then complete your puzzle number 3. 2 tambah 1 jadi 3. Good job. Next. Okay. 0, 1. 0 tambah 1 jadi berapa?
1.
Sini kosong, letak tak cotton bud? Tak payah letak. Kena letak tak?
Tak payah.
Okay, good. Sini?
Letak.
Letak berapa?
1.
1, okay. Jadi, kat sini berapa? 1. Okay, cari 1. Choose number 1. Okay, good. Okay, and then you choose number 1. Good job. Okay. Next is, I want you count number 3. Tambah 3. Okay, 3 tambah 3. Nombor berapa? 3 ni nombor berapa?
3.
Okay, put 3 here, 3 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how much?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, where is number 6? Where is number 6? Okay, good. 3 tambah 3 jadi 6. Okay, where is number 6? Good. Nombor berapa lagi ada?
8, 7.
Okay, good. Apa dengan 7? 3. Okay.
4, 3.
Okay, put. Berapa kat sini?
4.
4, okay.
1,
2, 3, 4. Okay, good.
1,
1, 2, 3. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how much?
7.
7. 4 tambah 3 jadi 7. Okay. Good. Okay, choose number 7. Good job, Tiara. Next. Number, the last one number 8. Good. Jadi, you want you count 4 tambah
4.
Okay. Put the cotton bud here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, where is number 8? Where is number 8? Okay, good. Berapa? 4 tambah
4.
jadi 8. Okay, where is number 8? Pandai, good. Okay, count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Okay, what you do? What is this? This is caterpillar puzzle. So, what is this? This is the number. Good. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Do you understand, Tiara? Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand about number? Okay. I want you say again. Number, can? Okay. Do your hand like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Okay, good. Clap your hand.